All right, so we're jumping right into it. These are the two scenes I want to match. Obviously, this one's a little more yellow. I want it to be more white like the other scene. We go up to color. Then we go down to color wheel and match. Now we hit comparison view. Now, if the scene is not on the left-hand side, you look for it on the timeline, wherever it is on your timeline from your actual video. Now we hit apply match, and you see that it's there, but it's a little off. At least in my eyes, it's still a little off because the yellow's on the left side, so it like kind of throws it off. So we're gonna apply blue. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of black, and now it looks too dark, so we're gonna give it some white. And if you don't want to do this directly onto the same thing, you come over here to your project. You make a new adjustment layer. You hit OK. It's usually to whatever size you have it at. You move the adjustment layer over top like I have here, and you just add the color correction to it. And that's all you got to do. That's exactly how you color match. And if you want to get out of it, you get out of comparison view, go back to editing, and boom. Nothing to it. Here's the clip. Goes from one to the other, and it's color matched. Don't forget to subscribe, like. I'll have more tutorials. I also have cosplay videos and photography videos. Thank you. Bye.